everybody, and once again a warm welcome on my show Candid with Candida. Ishanu eyes mujhe borobor asa one such amazing, brilliant personality, a famous personality who in fact, despite of having fame, success at his feet, prefers to keep his profile lower. A state level hockey player, but now an established dancer, choreographer who has his dance academy of his own. Moja sangata asa David Furtado, who is the entrepreneur of his own DFDA, David Furtado Dance Academy. Yoka tuka amcha iche kharyavulin.
Thank you.
Aning taja sangata asa the singer who has performed all over, international stage performer Akshada Thalawlikar. Yoka tuka amcha iche kharyavulin. How are you all? Ekdam fit.
Oh, ekdam fit.
So shall we start with the interview?
Yes.
Yes.
All right. Okay. David Bab, जोशे पोरी हांवें आतांच सांगला माझे इंट्रोडक्शनान की यू नो डेविड फुर्ताडो इज अ नेम एवरीवेर. हूँ वयता थिंगा डेविड फुर्ताडो हांवें पासून डेविड फुर्ताडो आय नो हिम. बट इतल्या सादेपणान तूं जियेता जावं यू नो कित्याक लागून?
कितें आसता थोड्या पाटी चड फेमूय मेळल्यार ती तकलेक लागता. ती फेम मेळल्यार ती बरी आहा पूण रेग्युलर लायफान आपूण नॉर्मल तो जियेता गाड्यार वचून च्या पियेता भाजी खाता हॉटेलान नॉर्मल तोच खावंक जाय. लोकांकूय मेळता हितून. सो एक पाटी तुका फेम मेळ्ळी सम ऑफ देम तेंचे कडेन व्हडल्यो तेजे पण गाडयो येता घरां येता मागीर ते लोकांक सोडटात आनी एक पाटी फेम देंवतच मागीर ते रस्त्यार आसतात.
सारकें. From a sports person to a dancer, how did this switch over? Like, कशें जालें? That is a different story that you have to tell. I know that.
That is a biggest change in my life, and the story who boldly.
Okay.
Because I had a knee injury when playing. I was playing for Goa, playing at a very good position, and once you have a breakdown somewhere, you cannot handle it.
Okay.
So हांव उठोन मातसो प्रॅक्टीस करता. सो डॉक्टर म्हणलो मातशें पांय हालय बॉडी हालयता हांव मायकल जॅक्सन जालो.
Alright, so ते एक boost तुका plus point.
Making some movements of your body, suddenly looking at yourself in the mirror, and you find yourself you can match to somebody on television. So try केलें.
Okay.
And then automatically when I landed in the college, till 11th standard I was zero in dancing.
Okay.
Zero, म्हणजे zero. Football player खंय आसता, hockey player, they don't know. They only are tigers on the floor, on the ground. So, पण म्हजी life different change जाली. I started working at Taj. थिंगा म्हाका activity coordinator घातलो.
Okay.
आनी तेंच्यांनी म्हाका पळोवन मातशें कितें डान्साचें दिलें. So there where I have to, learn from others, look at others, teach steps to others. आमी सारकें नोको आसलेले, पूण शिकयताले. That gives me a motivation.
Okay.
After that, and by the time I reached final year, I won that Boogie Woogie National Sony Channel
Yeah.
television thing. It was a big surprise for me itself. But no, because I was so good, I did not know. Because the judges were not a normal judges. They were Javed Jafri, Naveed Jafri, Ravi Bell, and they were very happy what I was doing. And I had a partner with me called Sharon Norona, and that's how the life started from there.
Okay.
It gave me a good boost when you land on a television. 152 countries know you all over. And तेन्ना व्हडली फेम तितली नासली ती. म्हणजे सेलिब्रिटी. आतां पळय टीव्हीचेर आसता रोखडो सेलिब्रिटी जाता.
सारकें.
But we have done it 22 years back.
Alright.
And after that I have taken a lot of children here, there, reaching to semi-finals and finals. And promote करता भुरग्यांक.
So that was the time जेन्ना तुवें dancing तुजें passion आनी profession अशें घेयलें. Okay, so after that, tell me something. Bollywoodan जावं तुवें तुजो career extend करपाक कित्याक चिंतलो?
Bollywood in the sense पळय कितें जाता आमी Goa is connected to Bollywood. They shoot here. And from my time when I was in Boogie Woogie and Mumbai, lot of guys now they are at a different level. They are head of different organizations which are doing shootings. So they give me a call sometimes, and I do a lot of things which Goa does not know sometimes. On the quieter side we do things. We choreograph good actors. Now 2 days, 3 days back I have done a Bata ad.
Okay.
A Bata ad as a choreographer.
You've done ads for Big Bazaar.
Yeah, Big Bazaar also I have done. But I mean, on the lower side, silent side. it is better to work like that.
All right. Moving ahead with Akshada. Tell me, at what age you started your singing career?
Yeah, as he said, it was an accident for him to come from hockey to dancing. The same thing happened with me. When I was in college, I started singing very late. My mom is from a musical background, but for me it was always a tomboy kind of a thing wherein I didn't want to sing and all.
Okay.
Like we come from that Hindustani classical background where it was like and then was like त्याने कोण करतले. So you know. So for all those years from childhood, my mom was pushing me and I said, nahi, I don't want to do all those things. I was like a tomboy, and when I went in 12th standard, there was this Gomantak Academy singing competition that happened. And it's, you know, some things are destined and it comes at a perfect timing. So probably at that time it was decided for me that I would be a singer in future. So my mom insisted. She said, you have a good voice, why don't you try? I said, okay, fine, let me try. And I had no classical background, no singing, learning background in music, vocals. So I said, okay, let me try. And it was my first competition in 99 or 2000.
Okay.
And I won the 3rd prize.
Wow.
You won't believe, huh? So the same thing as
You
you said-
remember the first song which you sang?
Yeah, I sang a Marathi song, and
Which
it
was
was an
the song?
intense song, like Jiva Laga Rahi Lere Dura Ghar Maze. It's like you are mourning about your partner, he has gone away, and you're waiting for him. And it is beautifully sung by Asha Bhosle ji, and it's a tough song. But for me, it was like fun. Who's going to get a prize? Let me just, mom is forcing, so let me just go and do it. And when they said 3rd prize, it was like a Miss Universe win, you know. I was like, what? I got the 3rd prize.
It's like winning a lottery.
So I gave that kind of reaction. Me? So then they said, yes, it's you who has got the 3rd prize. So it started from there. Then I really felt that if I, without doing anything, if it's just the vocal cord that I have and it probably appeals to people and appealed the judge that time, that means I have something, you know. And from there it started.
It's been how many years you're into music?
Last 20 years now, 20.
Last 20 years. So let me just put this question across. Answer whoever wants to answer.
Yeah.
Zaidi Patel, for example, just now I said ki
Yeah.
David Furtado Munami now Darna.
Aye.
Akshada we know. But you know, there are some people who doesn't know these personalities.
Yeah.
Like we know all the artists like Soglang fame ha. You all also have a fame. But why does it happens that you know tumka recognize korpagi swata? Do you know any reason or do you want to elaborate on it?
No, see, we come from a generation wherein social network was not that hyped. So it was more about mouth-to-mouth publicity. So we both have grown up with that. We have grown up with mouth-to-mouth publicity. So nowadays it's totally different. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है, unfortunately. So now when we see ourselves, there are many young people who don't know us. And it's because they have not seen us on some social site. So because we come from that old book, we also don't promote ourselves because we don't believe in that. We believe in our work which was done and somebody has appreciated us and then told 10 more people instead of we only telling ki I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, you know. So at this moment what I feel is the most important part that is played for artists or any recognition for anyone in that state, I think the government should take some initiative and give recognition to people in all the fields. And not just, I mean, they have this kind of trend wherein if you want to get recognized also in government, you are supposed to fill a form and send it to them and tell them that, okay, I am good, please recognize me.
Yeah.
Many people don't like to do that. It is fine if somebody is comfortable to do that, ki yeah, I'm a great singer, you know, and I'm a good teacher or maybe I'm a good sportsman and you please recognize me and give me some prize. I'm absolutely fine with that kind of a thought process by people, but there are certain people like us who don't like to do that. And we would feel really obliged and, you know, grateful to somebody who would come up to us, recognize our work and give us some recognition. So we expect the government to take a little initiative and help people like us, not help kind of, but we would feel nice and happy about it.
Correct.
So that's
Because
it.
you'll have done such good things, like you know, तुम्ही आधी सण आता करीत आसा, so definitely तुमचो वावर जावं तुमच्या वावराची तोखणाय करपाकूच जाय.
Exactly. See, like, let me just interrupt you. When we go out for concerts, like I have been to Middle East everywhere. So when they say Akshada Talaulikar from Goa. They don't say Akshada Talaulikar. They say from Goa. So we are, we are like a representative of the state. It is just not Akshada that has been. When he goes or he's choreographing for somebody, when the artists come to Goa, they say that okay, we have David जो Goa में है, he will choreograph us. They don't say David हमें choreograph करेगा. Goa से David है, वो हमें choreograph करेगा. So Goa at the end is recognized. So it is not us. It's about Goa. It's about you. It is about him. It's about everybody from Goa. We are, represented.
All right.
So why not? Yeah.
Okay, David Bab, आता how did you all come in contact with each other? जाओ कितली वर्षां तुम्ही दोघे ओळखता एकामेका जाओ.
Same from 20 years. She has been singing on big stages like Seafood, तेंगा Hollywood festival आता आता ते भुरग्यांक खबर ना.
Yes.
There were a lot of beat shows.
Beat
and
shows.
it was happiness in Goa. Now there is no happiness. Now there is only drugs and liquor. Two things. Music happiness is not there. I'm telling you. Even weddings, bands are playing 3 numbers and one set is over.
Yeah.
That time bands used to play till 5 o'clock in the
Yes.
morning for a wedding. Yeah. We remember when we were small, we used to go and mami ओढून घरा हाडटली रातची 12 गे खाली तुझा टाइम न्हिदपाचो.
Okay.
That is that. That I met her for. We had a good artists from outside Bollywood who were on the same stage where we were.
Okay.
There was Sukhbir, there was somebody else, there was all the name artists. And I used to choreograph for some, I used to choreograph for her also.
Okay.
So that's how we know, and she was a very good singer, very good dancer kind of a thing. And we used to put backup dancer for her sometimes.
Okay.
But it was not in Goa's
Mind frame.
mind frame that you have to do like this. But no, exceptional then. When I started dancing also, म्हाका दिसता कितें कोत्ता तूं आनी खंय वच भायर वच रे इंजिनियरिंग कर रे हें कर रे. What I liked, I did, and today I am here.
ते
Got
अजूनही
no?
असं actually.
I am earning more than their sons and daughters who have done engineering and other things.
Exactly.
So in short, you're
True.
giving a chop to them.
Yeah, of course. We entertainers, you also are entertainer at present.
Yeah.
We are earning much more.
Right.
Got no, it is
So
that.
none of the profession is like considered
Yeah.
low or something.
Now people are getting it because television is giving more boost to singing. See, all
Yes.
channels, dancing.
सारकें.
Now they realize they want to push their children. पण आमचे गोंयकार अजून फाटी आहा.
Alright, tell me something about the DFDA.
It is a dance academy where see people think once you are around 25-30 you finish your dancing career. It is not. I have instructors every 3-4 years. I change my instructors and they open their own schools after that. So for me that is happiness. Secondly, when you are into your 30s you need to form a team. I'm telling every instructor from Goa or dance teacher, don't keep things for yourself, selfish. They don't want to even give a chance to their student to start
Okay.
classes. So I पळयता खूब जाण आहा गोंयांत क्लासीन ते चान्स दिना तेंच्या क्लासीन वेतले म्हणटा यू डोंट स्टार्ट क्लासेस यू हॅव अ सर्टिफिकेट
Okay.
खूब क्वेश्चन विचारता. So those kind of things which are stopping youngsters of getting there, and seniors think 30 जाले म्हणजे काबार ना. See, I am now almost close to 50, still going strong. Nobody can touch me at present. Got no? Because I am running a dance school. I am doing workshops outside Goa, like Tata, Jindal, Power, Indian Railways. कौन हा गोंयच्या वेता?
सारकें.
Because there is a future there. You don't have to dance. After 30, you stop dancing. You manage your dance team. Got no? A good set of choreographers. But don't start dancing in the bars and in Kalangut and Baga at night to make that money. I tell my students, if you want that, don't come to me.
Okay.
If you want to become a dance teacher in school and good institutions, come to me.
Because हांव जाणा discipline matters to you the most.
Of course.
So कित्याक लागून तूं hardly थोडे जाण आहा की only they teach dance. Okay, जालें. But तूं overall सगळें पळयता जावं discipline तूं very strict.
That is very important. So, dancing is also a different profession. God no. कितें आसता पळय माय पाय मागीर भियेतात.
सारकें.
Once you are 16, 17, you are student and you are going to a pub. Now, we are doing a workshop. Slowly, with the workshop, the child also looks at the liquor and the living style
Right.
of people, what they are doing there. And they get involved with that. Then you cannot stop them. Then parents get annoyed.
सारकें.
नो म्हणजे भुरगो भायर पावला हातून.
ऑलराइट ओके डेविड बाब जायते म्युझिक व्हिडिओज तुवें काडल्या जायते दिवाना दिल आनी जायते आसा आनी आतां म्हाका दिसता फ्युचर प्लॅनूय तुजे तयार आसतलेच. सो वॉट इज कमिंग अप नेक्स्ट?
I'm coming out with another 2-3 videos. There's a movie also coming up.
ओके
We are going slow on the movie because that whatever the story is, it's very intense story. आमच्या सगळ्यांक लागतली ती स्टोरी.
Okay.
लायक जायची ना खूब जाणांक. So ती स्टोरी मातशी खूब हे आहा. ह्या दिसांनी कितें चलता न्ही तेजी स्टोरी आहा ती.
Wow.
So we are doing something for Goa.
पावरफुल मेसेज येवपाची
Yeah,
हाय.
yeah, powerful message. It will hurt everyone. But
Alright.
I think I have to run out of
I got
Goa
scared.
after that.
I swear.
Alright, okay, Akshada, what is coming up from your side?
See, I am into live concerts and my genre is totally different. I have done videos also. So right now coming up is the same thing with David only for his movie. I am supposed to do a song. And then I have certain videos to be in pipeline with him only. So let's hope.
Okay, how is it working with such a great
Oh,
profession?
I'm not great, Re Baba. I'm just a normal person.
You are great in the eyes
Yeah.
of audience now.
We work hard, but and we work harder and tell the students also to work harder like us.
I think that humble attitude makes him great.
Alright.
And that's how
So, Ajirut, आम्ही आता एक लहानसा रॅपिड फायर खेळूया.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready. Yeah.
Okay, alright, let's go ahead. Alright, rapid fire round with our singer Akshada Thalavlikar. Are you ready?
Yes, also.
Alright, let's get started. What influenced you to be a singer?
Both influenced me. That's my first prize that I got.
Alright, are you from a musical, singing or artistic family?
Yes.
Okay. जोरी तोर परफॉर्म करता असताना तुजे लागी एक मिस्टेक जाली जाल्यार तू कितें करतले?
हांव स्टॉप करता म्हणपाचें.
Okay, and then you restart.
Yeah.
Alright, good. Who would you most like to collaborate with?
David, of course, right now.
Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years?
I would see the same. I mean, artist life is the best life. So whatever
Alright.
I'm happy with that.
Okay. How has dancing inspired you?
No, not dancing. Not inspired.
Okay. तुम्ही टीव्हीचेर लास्ट कितें पळयल्लें?
Criminal Justice on Prime Videos. That's
You
what I
like
love.
watching crime?
Oh, I love.
Okay. What's the first concert you've ever attended?
I've attended Shreya Ghoshal. That was in Shama Prasad.
Okay. What is your favorite game of all time?
Hockey.
I'm
Butter polishing. Butter polishing David.
What is your favorite store?
Store and
Rain or snow?
rain.
Go to a concert or go to a sporting event?
Concert.
What award would you love to win?
iPhone.
McDonald's or Starbucks?
Starbucks.
What is always guaranteed to make you angry?
Petty talks.
Okay, 3 things that people don't know about Akshada.
That I'm very sensitive, I'm emotional, and I am innocent again.
All right, well played, yeah. Moving on to David, are you ready?
Yeah. I'm
Okay. Do you think anyone can dance?
ready. Yes, of course.
Okay. Which is your favorite place to dance?
Weddings.
Describe the best performance you've ever put on. What did you learn from it?
National television. Boogie Woogie.
Okay, and what did you learn from it?
You have to work harder.
Alright, okay. तुझा favorite आवडीचो dancer कोण?
Mine is Michael Jackson is there.
Okay. तुका दिसता तू एक famous dancer जावन तुझे life अधिक tough जाला म्हूण?
Wait.
Right.
It is tough, but it is tough in working harder.
Okay. Do you like to play sports or dancing?
Both.
Do you like to use social media a lot or not?
Not much.
Are you
Only one, Facebook.
okay? Are you an early riser or a night owl?
Early riser.
तुझा inspiration कोण?
Nobody at present.
Okay. Can you work weekends?
Yeah.
Do you have any question for me?
Would you dance with me?
Yeah. Would you dance with me?
You helped him. Okay. What word do you have a hard time pronouncing?
Sometimes we go to outside states, Hindi. It goes over our head sometimes.
So those words are difficult.
But
to
still you manage.
Yeah.
Okay. तू चोट text कोणाक करता?
I text in a group.
Okay.
There's a children's group.
Okay. So there.
Yeah.
Name a 4-letter word that starts with the letter B.
Bear.
Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. कितना fast है लफ्ज़ बोलते. What do you collect?
Nothing.
Nothing. 3 things that people don't know about David.
David gets angry very soon.
1.
One, he will say something to you, but he from inside it does not mean to him.
2.
He's just a normal guy drinking tea on the gada.
3. Well played, yeah, both of you. And now we are
So
moving
these are
on
the
with
three
the...
things that nobody knows.
No.
That you get angry and that you have chai.
If you see me on
It's
the
something
sets,
that is something that nobody knows. That we know that you get angry. We know that you go and have chai.
He has a face,
He's
bro,
wrong.
so
You give the hamper to me.
the hamper you give it to her.
I'm saying because of that.
Alright, we are moving on with the final round, that is our dance battle. Are you ready?
I think you
We
should have
can-
singing battle, yeah. Why dance battle?
We can
I'll
dance
dance
with
and
her
then he'll
also.
sing. You know that. Then it's a battle.
Okay, shall we start?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Done.
Alright, we are moving on with our final round, that is called as dance battle. And या राउंडाक मुझे बरोबर आसा the famous David Furtado and Akshada Talawlikar. So,
Okay.
ready?
All
Okay.
set. All set.
This is a ball of chits. There are nice, cute circles over here. Okay. So, किधर दिसता तुमका phone?
Boy, this stuff.
Understand? Okay. You know what? 5 chits are.
Okay.
So, एक लाख दोन last हाथी together. The action that you get, you need to put it in a dance form.
Okay.
Also, David बाबतीत जायते choreograph केला.
नाही जाऊ अक्षता शिकवतो.
ना actually ताणे केल्यावर बरं.
नाचतो तो आहे.
Alright. So, according to the action, you need to put the dance.
Okay.
Ready?
Done.
So, who's going first?
I think David. David, go. Yeah. Chal.
You seriously want to go first? Okay.
Let me get some ideas.
What is it? Can you flash it to the camera?
Look at this
Nagin
start.
dance.
Nagin? Oh, the most easy that we do for our shows.
Alright, and your time starts now.
कसला रे?
You got it? You got the step? That's how choreography works. Alright, Akshada, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm praying.
Pick it up.
Om Namo DFDA Namaha.
We have a choreographer with you, don't worry.
Washing machine dance. Oh my god.
Washing machine dance. You know how the washing machine works?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, done.
Right, okay.
Okay, done.
Alright, and your time starts now. The washing machine dance. Yes. That's how the
Oh.
washing machine works. Yes. Alright.
Done.
Alright, next chit by David.
कार्या.
Ozana, तू excited है म्हणून तुझ्या फावरा हा game nice.
हा वय.
Wow. Bathroom
that?
cleaning.
You are getting all the impossible. Bathroom cleaning dance.
The women doing Nagin, bathroom. Wow, kya baat hai.
Alright, and your time starts now. The bathroom cleaning dance. Wow.
Experience.
तू स्वतः bathroom clean करता.
Woo! Amazing. Wow.
Come on. Yes. Put some water now. Alright, okay. And the next one, Akshada.
Final one. Okay. Wish me luck.
Best of luck.
What is it?
Football dance.
Very easy रे.
Football dance.
Hockey galpache tu hai hanga. Hockey dance. Oh, okay,
Football.
fine. Done.
Alright, and now the other one is the football dance. Your time starts now.
Football was required.
Yes, the choreographer can help.
बस गो पुढे हा.
What now? Football ko
Bora,
kar
bora.
Exactly.
Very good.
What I should done now?
Alright.
Oh, nice.
Last is the final one. Anybody pick up?
अक्षता.
दोनों
Please.
साथ में.
दोनों.
Okay, you pick it up and give it to him.
Yeah, correct. Take.
See if it's in your favor.
Oh, this is her favorite, I think.
Oh,
Well,
cricket dance.
that should be the boys. party.
No, no, it is good cricket. You do bowling, I will dance.
We can dance together.
And the final round, we have two celebrities together. That is David and Akshada. Give it up for them. And their time starts now. 20 seconds to go. Cricket dance.
Bowling. Aku gal bowling.
Yeah, 6. 4. And एक गलत.
Six. हाँ,
All right, friends, it's time to say goodbye. Adios. तुमका दोघांकूय आयचे कार्यावळीन हांगासर काल जातान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा तुमी तुमचो मोलादीक वेळ पिड्यार करून हांगासर आयले आनी आमकां एक संदी दिली तुमची एक मुलाकात घेवंक म्हूण काल जातान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Thank you, Candid. Thank you so much for
And
inviting us.
And this is a small token of appreciation from the team Prudent Media. This is because you have danced very well. I enjoyed your dancing.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nimble Swadir, Vecha Poili, one message from David.
Hard work takes you where you want to go.
Okay. Thank you. And a song
Me?
line from you, maybe of 4 lines.
A song, one of my favorites.
Yes.
लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो शायद ये फिर जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो लग जा गले के
Wow, thank you so
Thank
much.
you,
Thank
thank
you.
you, Candid,
दोघांकूय
thank
तुमकां
you.
काल जातान देव बरें करूं. पळत रावात Prudent Mediaचेर Candid with Canada.